We're listening, guys, to the song na ginawa. The song is lit.
Jolly Babe.
Yeah, by Jolly Babe. Bakit sobrang lag? For Kuya's eyes only.
There's a song in there.
Justin Hell.
What's beef?
If you could visit any fictional world, ano yun? Harry Potter, I want.
Wizarding World and the Marvel Universe.
Alice in Wonderland.
And Star Wars.
Okay. Narnia.
Me too.
Putik mud.
Journey. At wala si John, umuwi na guys. Ooh, thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Jasmine,
Uy, buwan. Inasan.
si Ate Kai ba yan? Yes po, si Ate Kai.
Ate Kai. Siya Ate Kai.
Hello, guys.
Pumila daw.
Umila pa rin.
Ano yun? Natutulog si Jaren right now. Nagpapahinga.
Papahinga si Jaren kasi galing yung Davao. And then, I miss you, Regina. Kamusta ang buhay-buhay, bossing? Okay lang po?
Bossing?
Boss. Alam na naman.
Ano ba yun?
Sino kasama niyo? Kai, Rain, Colette, James, Gwen,
What?
Marcia, Jolie, Tito.
Uy, JP. JP, no. Again.
Whoa, Kai, Rain. Fanatics? Is that Kai, Rain Fanatics? Look, say thank you to Kai, Rain.
Thank you, Kyrie.
Thank you,
It's called
guys.
homies.
Oh, homies.
What's up,
Thanks, homies.
Again, JP, don't post that. Again. Hi.
I'm gonna go see our guys.
It's so bad.
You want to see our?
Say something, please. I don't know. Shout out J Pierce. What up, J Pierce? What up, comments? Hello.
What up? Okay, asa so much.
Ask kayo.
Kaliwa, tas kaliwa. Pero okay lang.
Where's Colette?
Alam mo yung nakagaling ako noon, nakagaling ako yung kasama. Nakababayan sa school ko. Yung bayan ng store. Dinipon yung notice ko. Flash.
Why do you even have that on? Turn it off! Turn it off! Which one?
Like, di ba, every time there's a notif.
Settings.
Ah, yan. Okay.
Then he went to like that and there was a girl though.
Oh my God.
What a creep.
Nakakul pala.
Pa-rate po ng food. Sobrang sarap.
10 out of 10.
Talaga, sobrang hindi na kami dalawa. I mean, halos kami lahat.
Pinakita ko sa kanya yung usap ko.
Shout out Miss Ash.
10 out of 10.
Hi Mama Joy if you're watching. Hi Echo. Echo, I miss you.
What the hell am I doing here?
Hi Nathan.
I don't belong.
Nakapal na.
Ano? Tawag ah. Hello.
Again.
Yes, narinig ko yung song na ginawa for me. Ang ganda. Pinakinggan namin ni Kaya Rain. Sobrang ganda. Thank you, friend. Thank you. Asan po si JP? JP? Saan ba si JP? JP, kita ka ba?
Mag-answer.
Hindi.
Yun po lahat. Nag-CR pa si Kaya. Ay, si Rain.
Minus the
Grabe
phone.
yung song. Ang ganda. Ang ganda yung song.
Mas
Grabe.
masaya.
Nung narinig ko, sobrang, kinilig ako.
Walang song.
Sabihan ko si Jaren, kantahin yung song.
Oh, that's nice.
Tapos, pag-gising nila, like 4 a.m. Kasi bukas na nakakagano.
Dapat lang.
Kasi mawawala yung essence mo. So,
True.
parang wala na. Lahat nakapokus na siya.
Wow, thank you, Keisha Montinola. You're so sweet with all the roses. Thank you for the rose. 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 Thank you for the rose.
Thank you for the rose.
Thank you for the rose.
Thank you for the
Shout out po sa friend ko si Echo. Hello, Echo.
Hello,
Shout out to
Echo.
you. I miss you, Echo.
Sino sis? Friend mo? Hi, Echo. Hindi ko makita.
Nakita mo na... Ah, sige. Shout out po, Ate Joss. I'm 6 months pregnant po. JP, pinaglilihaan ko. Since 3 months tummy ko.
What does it mean?
Boy, what's your name po?
What does it...
Like, pinaglilihaan niya si JP. Like, parang buntis siya. Si JP, hinahanap niya. Parang naglihi... JP! JP!
An unborn child is looking for you.
Pinaglihian ka ng... I don't know her name.
The baby is inside its stomach and it's looking for you already.
It's gonna look like you. Pinaglihian.
Juan Pablo.
Yeah.
Ano tinipiyang eh?
Hello.
Yung alam sa bahay.
Ito magkano po yung
Andito si Kuya.
Shout out Monica and Mamoy. My Kyrie song.
There's a pirate song.
Kaya yung big time nasa stage talaga siya.
Kamukha kayo
Iba after yung parang pinagsiya kayo ng buko, no?
Bye. Kain po. Tapos na
Leave.
kayo.
Mag-leave ka na, Fiang.
Bye-bye.
Leave ka na.
Hi, Bangs, Bangs.
Bye everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ikaw, aray, naiina. Asan si Reyna? Oh, yeah! Wow, thanks, my JD.
Uwi na si Fiang.
Yeah, umuwi na po si Fiang. Sinundo ng kapatid. And cousin. Ay, ayun! Buntis siya. Tapos, shucks, wala. Shoutout Team No Pills. Malapit na dibungo. Rain. Oo nga. Shoutout pa, Patrick. Ang klase ng song, sobrang ganda ng song. What are your thoughts? You heard it?
The jazz song?
Yeah.
Bro, I was surprised. Kasi I've heard of Fiang. I never heard of the jazz song. Ngayon ko lang narinig, bro. What? It's actually a bop. It's actually a bop. It's like a song I would actually listen to.
Oh, you're right. It's
Like,
nailig ako. Jasmine Helen. Oh my God. Nag-CR. Come here, Jolie. Hi, Inomoto. Hi, Althea. Say hi. Hi, Althea.
hi, Althea. And the motorcycle incorporate.
Asan si Rain? Nag-CR.
He's coming.
Sino ba? Hey, Jolie. To all the, ano nga ang tawag sa'yo? Smileys.
Smileys na hindi na ako
Smileys.
Kasi yung day lang talaga, alam mo yung day na like, minute kita, yun lang din yung day na nag-decide ako mag-vlog. Tapos biglang hirap palang mag-vlog.
Hirap. Jasmine Helen. Uy.
Ay, thanks.
Excuse me muna, guys. Excuse me muna, guys. Bye.
Ano?
Babounce na kayo?
Bye, everybody. Uy, sama ka. Sama ako. Bye-bye.
Uwi na kayo. Asa ka mo ba?
Bye, everyone.